This is Far Rockaway, Mott Avenue. Connection is available to Long Island Railroad. This is a Brooklyn-bound shuttle train. The next stop is 80th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Grant Avenue. This is a Broadway Junction-bound shuttle train via the Fulton Street Express line. The next stop is Euclid Avenue. This is Far Rockaway, Mott Avenue.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is a Howard Beach, JFK Airport-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Beach 25th Street.
Attention everyone, A trains are not running between
This is a Far Rockaway, Mott Avenue-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Beach 25th Street. Bound shuttle train. The next bound shuttle train. The next stop is Beach 105th Street. This is a Rockaway Boulevard-bound shuttle train. The next and last stop is Rockaway Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Leave the rest of the prep to the Amazon Shopping app. Order matching pajamas to kick the party off.
This is a Franklin Avenue-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Botanic Garden. This is Botanic Garden. Transfer is available. This is Franklin Avenue. Transfer is available to the C train. This is a Prospect Park-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Park Place. This is a Prospect Park-bound shuttle train. The next stop is Botanic Garden. This is Botanic Garden. Transfer is available to the 2, 3, 4, and 5 trains. This is a Prospect Park-bound shuttle train. The next and last stop is Prospect Park.
This is a Grand Central bound shuttle. The next and last stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and 7 trains. Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Times Square 42nd Street bound shuttle. The next and last stop is Times Square, 42nd Street. This is